Session 7 Plural Simple Sentences Uttama Purusha. Plural Sentences Uttama Purusha. We are reading. Vayam patamaha. We are writing. Vayam likhamaha. We are playing. Vayam khelamaha. We are eating. Vayam khadamaha. We are talking. Vayam vadamaha. We are running. Vayam dhavamaha. We are walking. Vayam chalamaha. We are saluting. Vayam namamaha. We are protecting. Vayam rakshamaha.